go. So as we're walking, I try to keep an eye on the trees to see if there's anything in there, especially small birds that might be an indication of another bird. I'm also looking on top of roofs to see if there's anything up there and in the sky. I don't see anything here, so let's keep walking. If you look up in the sky, there is a bird flying up overhead. And there's another one over here, and it's the same species. So in this shady area, these are actually oak trees on campus. In fall and spring, we have what's called migration season. So in particular, warblers like to come through Florida as they're migrating north to south and now south to north. So that's what I'm keeping an eye out for as I'm looking in the trees. Unfortunately, we are not able to get it on video, but I will put up a small note after on what that was, or a small photo.
There are two birds up in the sky above the arboretum, right up above the palm trees. They appear to be the same species.
As the ones we saw before.
Yes, same as the ones we saw before.
Oh, a bird just flew onto the palm tree over there across from PG5. It's small and gray. We're going to put a little photo up on the inset below on what is in the tree palm fronds right now. I can hear birds chirping around, so now I'm just trying to see if we can find any of them for you in our virtual bird walk. I'm also looking on top of parking garages. That is where birds of prey and pigeons tend to like to hang out. So I'm keeping my eyes open. There's a bird on top of the light fixture right here in front of the pedestrian bridge as well. You got that? Cool. That is the sound of a more famous Miami bird, the Miami honking bird. I'm kidding, it's not a bird.
But it is often followed up with a bird.
There is another one of the same species on top of this lamppost here.